You gotta have some good tea. All right, what's going on, peoples? Today is Sunday, December 8th. You can see right there. And this will be a full week of me waking up at 5:30 in the morning and just trying to be productive. So, how's that working out? Pretty good. It's working out pretty good. I just finished my little 45 minutes to an hour workout. Just made some tea. Sooner or later, I'm gonna have to take off the videos off of this GoPro and then edit. Pretty much, I'll probably edit until probably like around like 8:30 to 9 o'clock, and then post. So if you guys are new to this channel, I go by Karate Kev. And so if you have stumbled on my channel, you've been seeing that I've been posting up almost every day. Just a little like 3 2-minute videos here and there. I am starting like a challenge for myself. That's actually waking up at 5:30 in the morning every day, pretty much for 30 days straight. I'm just trying to discipline myself, just trying to really challenge myself more to be more consistent and not to wake up so late in the day, because that's what I've been struggling for like a couple months now. I've been waking up like maybe like 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, and my day is done. Like, it's like as soon as I wake up, my day is done. Like, I do work somewhere in the afternoon. Like, I do work in the afternoon towards the night, so that's like from like 4 o'clock to like 11 o'clock at night. So as soon as I get home, all I gotta do is just pretty much eat, take a shower, head into bed. But it doesn't always work out like that. It's time for a change on that end. I want to start something small, I want to start off something small by just, waking up and working out. I'm not waking up and going to the gym. I think that's gonna like really like mess me up. I'm not gonna lie. I can't stay consistent on that. There's multiple times where I sign up for the gym and I went there for like maybe like 2 3 months and then I just stopped. Like every month I gotta watch the money take out and I'm not even going anymore. Like, I can't stay consistent on that. So that's why I'm starting off small, just waking up at 5:30. Do a little bit, like a 45 minutes to an hour workout. Nothing much, If you've seen the videos I've been posting, I've been just doing stretches, couple push-ups, little body warm-ups, and then boxing. I've been doing that lately. Every morning. Every morning I go in there, do a little 45 to an hour workout, then I come out on the computer. I edit it. Everything is shot on the GoPro. I used to take the Canon 90D to shoot it, but I feel like the whole setup is just hassle. It's a hassle. Just got to move the camera here and there to get different angles of the shot. The GoPro has been helpful a lot because it does have like a magnetic attachment, so I could just attach it to like anything metal and then get the shot from there. So the reason why I'm doing this as well, it's like multiple reasons why I'm doing this, is because I want to wake up earlier to get things done. I want to be productive, but also I want to try to stay consistent of posting. I know people saying that, don't post every day, you're gonna burn yourself out, which is true. Like I've done that in the past. I post up every day, like 2 videos, 3 videos a day, and then like the next day I post up another video. Like it happens. Me just doing this makes me more consistent of posting. So, after when I'm done with my workout, soon like the flow of how I do things is just that once I'm done with my workout, I will just put the videos on the laptop, start editing, and then probably like close to like 9 o'clock, I'm done editing with the thumbnail, title of it, and all that, just ready to post. Just try to stay busy, man. Just try to stay busy. By like maybe close to like 11, 12 o'clock, maybe 12 to 1 o'clock, I will actually go take a nap. I don't know why as a grown up we tend to not take naps. Probably like the best thing you could do if you feel tired. Just take like an hour or 2 hour nap. Don't need that much, but sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. Like I could just go on throughout the day without taking a nap, but there's days when I'll be like, all right, I feel a little bit tired, let me just go take a nap. I'm not gonna force myself to stay up and try to do something and everything like that. If my body feels it, yeah, I'm gonna take a nap. Yeah, so I'm not gonna try to make this video too long. It's just that just want to give you guys an update on how this whole thing has been going on. It's been a week now since I've been waking up at 5:30, and I do feel myself a lot more productive throughout the morning, throughout the day, pretty much. Now it's definitely like I say about the third or fourth day, it was pretty tough, man. I didn't even want to wake up. Like that was only day 3 or 4. I didn't want to wake up. I just wanted to sleep. I think because I did went to bed so damn late. I think that's what I gotta stop doing. I gotta go to bed at a good decent time. One of those days I just didn't want to feel like I feel like I didn't want to get up, but I actually just sit up and just breathe for like a good 2 minutes. Just start breathing, man. Like taking deep breaths in and out for like 2 minutes. Just sit on the bed, and then I just got up. I think that's my, I think that's my mindset. Just like recalibrating. Like, look, listen, it's tough, but you gotta get up. But yeah, going forth, like this is definitely my plan. Like I wanna just stick with, pretty much going into the new year too as well. Just waking up at 5:30 and just being productive. I wanted to give you doing YouTube another shot. Definitely, balance out the two channels is definitely not easy at all. And I'm also seeing the views and all that. I really don't care for the views. I'm just doing it for myself, to be honest, because I know if I record these moments and I start posting it up, I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna be like, all right, I got a point to prove, pretty much, but to myself. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I'm not gonna try to make it too long because I do have to edit this right now after when I shut this camera off. So yeah, you guys like, comment, and subscribe, man, if you guys want to watch me on this journey, becoming like a more consistent person, more of a productive person as well here on YouTube. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make this a thing, man. I'm really trying to make this a thing. So comment down below. I want to get you guys' thoughts about the whole journey that I'm doing, or if you guys doing the same thing as well. It's good to be active, man. It's good to be working on yourself. All right, so that's gonna do this video, man, because I got to edit this video by any means and post this out today.